Good cookware is an essential in the kitchen, and the Blue Jean Chef 6-piece cookware set gives you everything to get started.
Designed with long-lasting stainless steel, each piece safely transitions from any cooktop, including induction to your oven. And the Tri-ply clad construction gives you even heat distribution for better browning and cooking. I've included non-stick coating only where you really need it.
In the skillets.
It's diamond reinforced to resist chipping and peeling, even with everyday use. Your stock pot and casserole feature interior measure markings and include tempered glass lids so you can easily see your food as it cooks. When your food is ready, the hammered finish exterior adds a touch of old-world charm that makes you proud to take this cookware right to your table. And cleanup is simple thanks to the non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe design.
Feel as confident and comfortable in the kitchen as you do in your favorite pair of blue jeans with the Blue Jean Chef 6-piece cookware set.